Welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force, and today we're going to be building the KC-135R Stratotanker. This is an aerial refueling vehicle used by the United States Air Force, and yeah, it's in the ZZ. It's basically the one on Wikipedia. This is the thumbnail picture. So if you guys need to do some military operations, you could definitely use this to refuel other aircraft. Like here I have it refueling an F-15C. You can see this thing actually drops down, and I'm going to be showing you how to build these two modes as well, when it's refueling and when it's landed. So first I'll make the landed version and then later we'll convert it. But yeah, this video is actually commissioned by Trainmaster3985, so thanks to him for making this video possible. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first let's grab some materials. We're going to take stone slab, black concrete, polished blackstone brick slab wall, and black glass pane, polished blackstone brick block, a pale oak button, and a diorite wall. So first off, let's make the first wheel. Just place a polished blackstone brick down with pale oak buttons to the sides of it, diorite wall on top of it, and then stone block right on top of that. Make it 2 blocks tall. Make it actually never mind, this one actually goes off to the side, so on a diagonal like this, and then we can make it 2x2 like that. And then in the front of this, there's going to be stone slab right to the side diagonally, like 2 blocks long. Next up, we'll take out andesite block, add 2 blocks long here, andesite stairs upside down, and andesite slab right there. And then a stone block 3 blocks long, and stone slab here, and inside part we'll add in stone, another 3 like this, and we'll add 2 stone slabs in the middle. And then we need our black concrete. Put that right on top of this part. And then we need a polished blackstone brick wall here. And then black concrete here at the middle. 2 blocks long, and then 1 down here. And then on the other side, we want to add a polished blackstone brick wall here. And black concrete. But yeah, it's this right behind it like that. And there's going to be a stone block underneath that part. And we're going to make that go line up with the other side like this. Alright, back here, we'll add a polished blackstone brick slab here. And black glass panes on either side of this. And then on top, we'll add a V-shape of polished blackstone brick slabs. Black concrete in the middle. And then another brick slab in the middle on top. Side here. Side we're gonna add oh yeah, we need more stone blocks, so add 2 blocks wide here. And do the same thing on the other side. Stone block inside here. Then another brick slab, just 2 slabs like this. Top of that. And then a stone stairs that's gonna be facing the front. And then on the inside part, it's going to be another brick slabs like this. And then we'll add in light gray carpet on top in the middle. And we need our stone block here in front of that. And then a stone slab. Going to be right to the side of this. An upper slab like this, both sides. Alright, next up we'll add in blackstone button either side of this. And then a stone block 2 blocks tall here. And then there's going to be an additional 4 blocks behind this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll add in stone stairs facing the front here, facing outwards. Then 2 stone blocks inside here. Another stone block here. And then stone slab, just add slabs along here, and then another 2 here. This side, I think we can just repeat the same thing pretty much. Stone block right there. Blocks tall. Alright. And this, by the way, this is intentional. I didn't add the andesite on the other side. That's going to be stone. Alright, next up, we'll add in stone behind this part here. And then we'll add in 4 andesite blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll add in stone inside. For the rest, going across to meet up with the rest of it like this. Alright, then on top we'll add in 3 pale oak buttons like this. And then a chain. And skip a block, add on a lever like that. Next up, go down here, the bottom part, and we'll add in a spruce fence gate right there. A stone block on top of it. And then stone, it's going to be 2 blocks wide here. I think it's pretty much the same, just 2 stone slabs here, stone slab here, then upside down stone stairs right there. And then another, I guess, stone slab there. Did I do this correctly? Yeah. Okay, so after that, we can add in 2 more stone blocks here in the middle. 1, 2. And then it's going to be this yellow terracotta. Now this yellow terracotta is going to be 28 blocks long, so let's make it 28. Just like that. And once you have that, we're going to add in, I guess, 4 more stone blocks to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a stone slab like that. And then a spruce trapdoor here, and then stone block on top of it. And we can make that so 4 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 3 blocks long, excuse me. Like that. And then it's going to be a black glass block here. And then stone slabs, 3 slabs here. And then stone stairs upside down to the sides. And we'll angle the one in the back like that. And then over here, there's going to be 2 more stone slabs. Stone block with black stone button. Going to be on either side of this. Stone slab here. Then andesite slab here. And then stone block on top, 3 blocks long. And then 3 andesite slabs. So 1, 2, 3. Skip block here, put a stone block 3 blocks wide, and there's going to be upside down stone stairs. I'll add in stone block on top of this, 2 blocks tall. And then we are going to make it so it's actually going all the way to the front. So let's do that all the way across to the front. Just like that. And after that, we're going to take snow, and we are going to go skip 7 blocks after the lever. And I'm going to add in snow layer, 2 layers tall. Skip a block, pale oak button like that. Go to the back. And we'll add in, we'll skip a block, add in andesite wall here. Then stone stairs on either side of it, so it makes like this trapezoid shape. And then stone slab on top of this. Stone block, and then another stone slab. And to the side, there's going to be this polished blackstone brick slab here. And pale oak button on top of it. Other side, same thing. Just like this. We'll add in a polished blackstone brick stairs. It's going to be upside down, diagonally up from that part. Just like that. And then pale oak buttons on top of it like so. Now, back to this part. We're going to skip 2 blocks here, add an andesite slab, block, 2 blocks wide. This, add another 2 on top of this part. Then a 2x2 of stone. 2 blocks tall stone. Then 2x2 stone. 2 blocks tall stone. And then we'll add andesite block next to that part, all the way down like this. Go back here, add in a red nether brick block here, red concrete, red nether brick block, red concrete, 3 blocks wide stone, and then this iron trapdoor, front and back of this, with light gray carpets connecting that. And then the edge is going to be 3 pale oak trapdoors like this. And then down here it's going to be a TNT block, but if you can't, just use brick. And lapis lazuli. Pale oak buttons the sides of this. Stone block, 2 blocks wide. Then a stone slab here. Stone block, and we're going to make this stone block all the way to the bottom. Fill that in. Then over here, it's going to be a stone block here, all the way to the bottom. And it's going to be a stone slab right here. Stone all the way to the bottom. The next one is going to be stone. Just skip this all the way to the bottom. It's going to be a slab here. 2 blocks wide stone, 3 blocks wide stone, and a stone slab. Looks to be a stone slab right there, very tip. Then we'll add in our polished black stone buttons. Going to be 1 here, go down another 1 there, and skip to 2 blocks wide like that. I think that's how you do it. And then a stone button underneath that 1 right there. I'm going to try to replicate that on the other side. Just do the same exact thing. Just copy it over. Like this. Okay. And now to make the Z banner. So to make this banner, go inside the loom. Take a light gray banner with black dye. And we want the diagonal like this. Back in. The row on top black. Put it back in. And a row on the bottom black. Put it back in. And then light gray dye border. That's how you make a Z. I'm going to put the Z banner right over this part here. Put 2 blocks wide like this. And other side, we do the same thing. And we got the ZZ. Alright, next up, let's go down here. Add in stone, 2 blocks wide here. And stone slab, just 2 blocks wide here. 2 stone blocks. And the other side, we can do same thing with the stone slabs and 2 stone blocks. The back over here, it's gonna be over here rather, it's gonna be 2 stone slabs. Stone slabs on top, and then andesite slab here, and then a stone slab right there. Okay, and then I think there is the other side, same thing. Kind of like replicate whatever we did there. 2 blocks wide, 2 blocks wide, like that. Make an edge, another one at the very tip. Then 2 stone blocks after that on the bottom. And then on top is going to be stone blocks, top of this, and then fill in this gap. Stone. Alright, then here on top, I'm going to add additional 3 blocks of stone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fill in the bottom half underneath it. And we're going to go to this part here. And we are going to add in 2 more stone slabs on either side of this. And then we'll add in a stone block, 2 by 2, side of this. We'll add in stones going across like this. And then to the side, we're gonna add in, well, we'll skip a block and add in 3 stone slabs. So skip a block, 1, 2, 3. And then stone block here. And we're gonna make that stone block so it is gonna be 8 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna add in 4 stone blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's replicate it onto the other side. So 3 slabs here and then stone across and the bottom half as well. That. Next step, we'll add in polished andesite 5 blocks long. Then 2 stone brick blocks wide like that. Other side, we'll replicate that. And then we'll add in stone. And this will go all the way across the sides. Just like this. Alright. After we're done with that, we'll take out dark oak trapdoor. Just add it right here to the edges, the bottom. And then we're to go make it so it is 9 blocks long on both sides. So let's extend that out. And then we're gonna skip a block and add in a pale oak button in the middle where the orange or yellow is. Then we'll add in a lever, skip a block, add a black stone button in the middle, and to the side we'll add in 2 pale oak buttons. That, both sides, and then only on this side we'll add in polished black stone button there. Just before these doors that gonna open up for the landing gear. Alright, next up, let's go work here. So it's gonna be 3 stone slabs here. And then it's gonna be 4 stone stairs like that. And yeah. Other side we'll do the same thing. So 3 slabs. Then 4 stairs. And the rest is gonna be stone blocks. And these stone blocks are gonna go all the way across to meet up the front section. That's very nice. Alright, so then we'll go over here and we're gonna skip 7 blocks away from this, and we're gonna add in a lever, just like that. I guess you could just skip 3 from this bar as well. Okay, next up over here, we're gonna add in stone block, fill in the wall, this part as well, just like so. Alright, so next we'll go in the front, add a dark oak button right here. I'm going to put that on both sides. Next step, we'll add in this chiseled polished blackstone button. I mean, chiseled polished blackstone. Oh yeah, it's just called that. Put that to the side. Stone button to the side of that. Stone to the side, in the front of that. Then 2 stone slabs here. And then stone block on top, going across like that. And then we'll add in 2x2 here. And then for the other side, I believe that is also existing. So on the other side, just add a chiseled polished blackstone button there. I mean, chiseled polished blackstone there, then stone button there. Stone in the front, 2 stone slabs, stone in the back 2x2, then stone in the front, connect that together. And then we'll add in stone slab, I think. Could be, oh, it actually goes up here. Okay. So that's gonna be stone slab on top of this. That is going, okay, that's just 1. And then there's gonna be stone in front of that. It's like this. We'll add in 2 stones here. Then 2 stone slabs. And then we need a stone stairs to the side. Then stone block underneath it. Other side, let's do the same thing. So 2 stones here, then what was it? Stones inside here all the way, or actually 4 like that. And there was like 2 stone slabs and then stone stairs, and then fill the rest stone blocks. Like that. Then on this side, there's going to be this andesite block. 2 blocks tall, and the bottom's 4 blocks long. Extend that out and connect it so it's like a rectangle. Fill in the middle with stone. Fill the bottom 2 blocks tall. We'll add stone across the top all the way like this, like a column. And the other side, it's pretty much all stone. You don't need the andesite, so just all stone. Like this box. Just like that. Alright, next up, we're going to add in blackstone button right here to the side of that. And to the side of this, it's going to be blackstone button here, then another 2 here, then 3. Just like this. And then we'll add in over here to the side of this polished andesite right to the edge. So from this point here, go down 2 blocks tall, polished andesite. And I think the other side, it should be also that same thing. With a blackstone button in the top of it, just like that. And then below it, it's going to be stone. And then there's going to be this stone slab in front of that. And in front, it's going to be two more slabs like that. And then underneath, we'll add in stone across, 1 sticking out like this. And do the same thing on the other side. So stone slab here, 3 blocks. Stone here at the bottom, 4 blocks. And for the rest, is there anything down here? Okay, so inside here we'll add stone block there. Then a stone slab. Gonna go across, connect that to the back of that. The side. What was it? One there, and then stone slabs. Then we'll fill in this gap here with stone. Cross like this. The other side as well, fill in this gap with stone all the way across. Just like that. Alright, next step. We're going to go to where this stone bricks are, and we want to have stone bricks. Actually, we want to have polished andesite slabs, so it's going to be adjacent to the other polished andesite that we just placed earlier. Alright, once we added that, then we can add in a stone brick diagonally to the other stone brick that we made. So it's kind of like a C shape like this. Then inside there's going to be, actually not inside yet, there's going to be a stone block on the outer edge of these stone brick blocks like this. Alright, next up we'll add in stone slabs. It goes all the way across that part, and then stone across. There's stone slabs gonna cross and goes over this part here. The other side could do the same thing, so fill all this in so everything goes across. Head that up over here in this section. It's gonna be stone block top of this. And then behind this part, that like 4 stone slabs. Okay, so we just added 3 additional to that. 1, 2, 3 stones underneath it, and then 2 more stones, and then 2 stone slabs. The other side, do the same thing. So 3 stone slabs here, then 3 stones underneath, then 2 stones, 2 stone slabs. Alright, and then inside here it's gonna be a stone slab underneath both sides, and we're gonna connect that to the front. Other side, we'll do the same thing. Then we'll add in a stone block, 2 blocks wide here, and then 2 stone slabs here. Right, the other side we'll add 2 stones here, then 2 stone slabs. And yeah, I guess that was it. So then on top of this part, we're gonna add in another stone block here, stone stairs facing the front, black concrete on the inside part of this, stone block on top of it, and then we want to extend actually we don't need to do that part, just the outer edge of this, just fill this in the stone. Go reach the front. So this whole entire area is going to be stone all the way across. Just like that. And the other side, same thing. Stone going all the way across. Just like that. Alright. Then to the side of this, we're going to add 2 spruce buns over here. And then there's going to be this lever to the side of this part. And we're also going to add in this roundel, I guess. So that is going to be stone block right to the outside of this part. So we want to make this stick out, 2 blocks tall stone, like that. And then a black stone button here. And then polished black stone brick slabs on the sides of that. Now this side we do the same thing. 2 stones here, then polished black stone button, and then slabs sides of that. And there's going to be a slab behind it, just 2 slabs like that. Slabs like that. And a slab here, and then stone going all the way across the top part. This. And the other side. Another stone slab here, then stone going across the top part. And then there's also going to be this doorway thing here. So it's going to be right over here. Polished andesite, just 2 blocks tall like that. And the rest, it's like 2 underneath this slab, just 2 blocks wide stone slabs, and then 2 stone blocks, and then fill in the rest with stone. Now the other side. What is it? 2 stone slabs, and the rest is going to be stone. Well, this part here, that's actually like this whole thing. So we do need to add that. So I'm going to add 2 stone blocks here. That inside going to be black concrete, just 2 blocks wide. And then we'll add in polished andesite stairs, 2 blocks wide upside down. Fill in the gap with stone like that. Alright, I just realized I made a little mistake here. Just move this slab over so it's underneath this other slab. Then this is going to be 2 blocks wide. So that. And now, let's fill this in. Stone in the inside part of this. The roundel area. Alright, that's all good. Alright, so next up, let's go the other side. And we're going to add in 2 spruce buns top of this part. And then there's going to be this polished black stone button, 6 blocks long, right over here. And then after that, it's going to skip to another one. And then we'll skip one and then diagonally up spruce button, blackstone button, and another spruce button top of that. And then skip to another Blackstone button. And alright, so next let's work on the wings. So let's go right down here. And we're gonna add in a smooth stone slab to the side of it. Sides. I'm gonna add a stone block behind it. I mean a stone slab behind it. Going diagonally up like that. And then it's gonna be another two here, near the two slabs like that. So I don't know if it makes sense, like another two in addition to this part that sticks out. Next part's gonna be another two. And then we're gonna add in a stone block right behind this part. Then another two stone slabs. 2 blocks wide stone. And then another two stone slabs. Another two stone slabs going this way. And then in the front section of this, I have a stone slab here, 2 blocks wide. Diagonally another one like that. Then we'll go to the back part here. Skip block, 2 blocks wide, stone slab. And we're gonna link this up to the front part. And then we'll fill this part in. That. And then we'll add in an andesite slab. And that is gonna skip block here and here. 2 blocks wide. And then we'll add andesite slab to the side of this. Stone slab here. 2 blocks wide, stone slab. Then stone slab going all the way across like this. And in the front part, another 2 stone slabs here. Then stone blocks, just 3 blocks wide. This part in stone. And I'm going to add in 2 blocks wide stone here. Make it 3 blocks long. Add another one sticking out here. And then diagonally another one like that. This part's going to be 3 here. We'll connect the rest together with stone. Like this. Alright, then we'll go to the other side. And I'm going to add in andesite block here. Andesite slab. Stone slab, just 2 blocks wide. And then 2 andesite slabs. Then 2 stone slabs behind that. Andesite slab to the side. Stone slab behind that. Diagonally up, stone slab. Andesite slab in front of that. Then diagonally. Then we'll add in 3 andesite slabs. And then stone slab 3 here. Andesite slab, and then stone slab. Then diagonally up, andesite slab. Stone slab behind that. And then 2 andesite slabs. 2 stone slabs. And then andesite slab. Stone slab. 2 blocks wide. And diagonally up, andesite slab here. Up here, andesite slab. And let's go 2 blocks wide. 2 stone slabs. And then 2 andesite slabs. And 2 stone slabs. And 2 andesite slabs going this way. Then diagonally up, stone slab. And 2 blocks wide, and then have one sticks out like this. And for the very tip, we'll make it 4 blocks wide like this. And then we'll have another one. So this is also 4. Going this way, add a 3 to this. And then we'll add in a 2x2 here. And then one here. And this is going to be, I'm going to add another stone slab here. We need a polish inside, or polish deep slate slab. It's going to be right here. And polish black stone slabs diagonally to it like this. Then stone slabs, so it's going to be two in front of this, another two here. And then down here it's going to be, I don't know, maybe 4. Another one here. This part is going to be 2 here. And then we're going to add in a stone block. 3 blocks long. And then a stone slab side of this. Make it 2 by 2 here. Extend that all the way to the back. Fill in these gaps. We're going to add in stone, so it's another 3 here. And stone slab here, 2 blocks long. Diagonally 1, diagonally another 1. Parts 2 blocks wide. And diagonally 1 this way. And connect up to the back part. Like this, and then fill this all in stone slabs. And the back part, we'll fill that in stone slabs. Part here, make an L-shaped stone slabs. That. And over here, where this stone is, add in 3 stone slabs like that. Alright, so in the back, add andesite to the side of this. Diagonally up andesite. And make it 2 on diagonal like this. And diagonally up. And then 2 on diagonal. This. And then diagonally up. Make that 2 on diagonal. Alright, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So, andesite slide to the side of this. Diagonally up, and then 2 blocks. Diagonally up, 2 blocks. Diagonally up. And make it 2 blocks. Like that. We'll add in stone slabs behind it. So yeah, just add in stone slab behind all of these andesites. Boop boop. Just like this. In the front, we're gonna add in another 2. So 2. Pretty much do that for everything. On the other side, same thing. 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. Then after that, we actually need to... And then after that, we actually need to make these stone blocks. So it's like double slabs like that. Just this inner one here. And you also want a singular one right over here. And then front portion, you want to have it all on diagonal, like 45 degrees. Just extend this all out so it's 45 degrees like this. Yes, and this bottom part, I don't know, we need to dip it down so it's like that, if that makes any sense. And the other side, same thing. Bend it down, and when we reach this part, just go down. It goes like this. Yeah, that's how it does it, like that. Alright, so now let's work on the other wings. So go down here with a stone slab, side this. Add in another one, so it's like 2 blocks like that. Next one's going to be another 2 blocks in addition to that. Alright. And then we're going to go add in a stone block behind that. And we'll make behind that 3 blocks wide. And then the next one, this part here is gonna stick out this way. It's 3 blocks long, I think it is. And then behind that, it's gonna be 2 blocks long. Actually, maybe, yeah, it is 2 blocks long like that. And then we're gonna add it, so it's 3 blocks wide here, then diagonally this way, and diagonally another one, then 3 blocks that way. Fill this part in like that, and fill it in inside, just like so. Alright, next we'll add in stone slabs, 2 blocks wide, 2 blocks wide, another 2 in front of this. Then we can add in a skip block here, stone slab, just make a L shape like this. And then we'll go back all the way over here. Skip block 2 blocks wide, stone slab, and we'll extend that up all the way to the front. After that, we'll add in then andesite slab, just 2 blocks wide like this. Another one here. And then a full andesite block here. Andesite slab. Diagonally back 2. And diagonally back 1. And then we'll add stone slabs in front of all these andesites. Not this one here, just the other ones. That. Over here, we'll add andesite diagonally up. Diagonally that this way. 3 blocks long. Diagonally back this way. Stone slabs behind them. And then again, diagonally up. Andesite slab. And diagonally back 2 andesites. Diagonally back 1. Add in our stone slabs again. Another stone slab here, and then diagonally up. Andesite slab. Diagonally up here. Andesite slab. Then we'll add in stone slab 2 blocks wide, and then andesite slab there. Stone slab here. Blocks. Yeah, 2 blocks like that. And then over here, it's going to be 2 andesite slabs. And then diagonally up. Stone slab. Make it 4 blocks long towards the front. And diagonally back another 4 like this. Alright. So then we'll go back down here. Add in stone slabs around this gap. And over here as well. I don't know how to freaking do this, man. Alright, so add in stone slabs from this point here, fill this in stone slabs. Okay. Alright, next up we'll go here. Add in 3 stone blocks there. And then a stone slab, just what is it? Like 2 slabs like that. Diagonally that back this way, another one, diagonally back this way, another one. Make it go back this way. And I think another one back this way. Then after that, I think it goes go all the way across like this. How we do it, I don't know. Well, we'll just fill this in stone slabs. Cross like that. And then over here it's gonna be stone slab sticking out like this. Down this way, another stone slab. And another stone slab right here. Okay. Then we'll add in a stone block. Gonna be 1 here. Alright, and then I'm gonna edit this a bit, delete this part, and delete these parts. Modify this. Okay, so it's like that. And then we can add in our stone slabs going across 2 blocks wide back. And then we'll add in stone blocks, you know, 3 blocks like that. A stone slab there. And then the front part, like 3 stone slabs like that. Back this way, diagonally, another stone slab, making an L shape. And diagonally up, stone slab, make it another L shape. And then we're gonna add in another one, another 2 here. And we need our polished blackstone brick slab. So that's gonna be 2 slabs here, 2 on diagonal, and then there's gonna be another 2, actually another L shape like this, and 2 here. Then stone slabs gonna have sticking out like this. Get L-shaped stone slabs around it, fill in the gap, and like that. Very nice. Alright, so next up, let's go down here. Add in this polished blackstone underneath this part. Another one right there. We'll add in an L shape of stone slabs like this. And then 2 iron trapdoors on diagonal. Then diorite wall, 3 blocks tall. One sticking out here. And then we'll add in pale oak fence gate like this. And one diagonally up like that. Another diorite wall to side this. Iron trapdoor here. Make that 2 blocks wide. Another one underneath. You know what? We'll just leave it alone for now. Work on the other side. So over here, we'll add in the L-shaped stone slabs and 2 iron trapdoors. And then we'll need their diorite wall, just 3 blocks tall. And out here. And then we'll have, one sticking out towards the front, so I realized the other side. It should be going this way, so delete these 2, move it this way. Blocks wide, and then this part is going to be underneath the other iron trapdoor. So I could do the same thing. Like this. And then in the front of this, we'll add in 2 pale oak fence like this, skeleton skull, and a polished diorite slab underneath here. Pale oak fence gates on the back of it, and the other side will do the same thing. So just 2 pale oak fence, skeleton skull, polished diorite slab, and our pale oak fence gates like this. We'll add in polished blackstone brick blocks. 1 here, skip block another one, so we have 4 of them. And then slabs on top of them. And then walls behind them. Other side, let's do the same thing. So blocks, 4 of them, spaced apart, and then slabs on top. And then walls behind them. And then we'll add in our pale oak buttons to the sides of the wheels. Both sides. That. And then over here we'll add in a pale oak trapdoor. We just need to close this up right there. Then we'll add in a stone slab here. And diagonally another 3 slabs like that. Okay, the other side could do the same thing. So go right up here, pale oak trapdoor, close that up. And just need to have our stone slab. That's right there, and then diagonally outwards 3 blocks long. That. Then we'll also add in a pale oak fence gate inside here. Open up towards that side. This side, same thing. And we also need to add in stone slab. Another one here. And then diagonally this way, stone slab. Alright. Then we'll make a hole around the landing gear and just fill in the rest with stone slabs. All the way across like that. And the other side. I think we can do a similar thing here. So extend this out. And this part here. Did I not build this part? Yeah, in this part here, we are going to have to add in a stone block. Okay, and then I just realized something. Alright, and then this part we need to add another 2 stone slabs there, and diagonally out this way another, like that. And we'll make this hole wrap around the landing gear, and I realized this part here was actually just stone block. We'll fill that in all the way to the front like that. And you fix that on the other side as well. This part should be a stone block across all the way like that. Also there's a pale oak button right underneath here on both sides. We'll also go to the back and add in a black stone button underneath that first block of the tail stabilizer. Alright, next up, let's go in the front here. Add in black stone button right side of this. Skip a block, pale oak button like this. And do the same thing on the other side with the pale oak button. That's supposed to be a window. Alright, so now let's work on the engines. So let's go to these pylons or whatever. And we're going to add in stone blocks. It's 3 blocks tall, 3 blocks wide, so it's like a cross shape. And we're going to do this to all of them. And the other side, same thing. Make that cross here as well. Alright, so next up we'll add in this deep slate tile stairs. Going like that. Part of that in the center. And then for the turbine design, the engines are all going to be the same. So I'm just going to show you how to make one, and then you'll have to copy it for the rest. So I'll build it over here. So just add in stone stairs to the side of this. One in the back of it, and then the first one is going to corner. And just repeat down that side. Alright. Then we'll add in. I'm going to add an upside down one in the middle part. And another one facing that way, on that side. Then this one's going to be upside down. The other one is right side up. This shape. And we'll add in stone slabs at the bottom. And then we'll add in upside down stone stairs facing the front. Bottom corners are the one facing outwards on the side. Then a slab after that, like that. And a stone block inside here. Stone block on outside parts. That's. And then a wither skeleton skull in the middle of that. Polish andesite slab, top to bottom. And then polish andesite stairs right here. Down right here. And polish andesite slabs in the corners. Like that. Then we'll go to the back and we'll add a stone block here. And an andesite wall. And polish andesite block. Other side, same thing. And stone block on top, 2 blocks wide. And then 2 stone slabs here. And then there's going to be polish, tough block, then polish, tough slab there. And underneath it's going to be stone slab, just 2 slabs like that. Another stone slab in the upper corner like that. And yeah, this is going to be our engine, which we'll copy for all of them, and they're all the same direction. Alright, so once we added all the engines, looks like this. And now finishing touch. Let's go over here. The outer engines will add another stone stairs like this. And this engine, stone stairs. 2 blocks long like that. And then the other side, we'll just do it the opposite direction. So this is going to be 2. Then this is going to be 1, like that. Those are the engines. Alright, so that's how you make the landed KC-135. Now let's actually add in the refueling boom. Alright, so when you're building this flying, obviously you're not going to include the landing gear, so make sure you just delete all this, extra stuff like the wheels. This whole section, you can just seal this up. And if you're wondering what I did, here's how this looks like. Shouldn't be too hard to do. And then for the boom, what you want to do, we actually need to destroy some of this stuff because we're going to move it. So destroy all this stuff here, tail, and then below this part, delete, delete, delete. And once you get up to here, you want to delete all these andesite slabs, like that. And then we'll move this slab down here, then turn these into slabs. That, and then we'll add in this gray glass pane underneath this part here, 3 blocks tall. Diagonally another one down toward the front, then a stone slab underneath that, and we're gonna go diagonally up, stone slabs. So diagonally up, keep doing that to reach this part here, and we'll add in an end rod like that. Then diagonally down another stone slab here. Then we'll need upside down stone stairs. That. And then 2 stone slabs. Another stone slab here, stone block. Or actually just stone slab. Maybe it is a block. I don't know, man. I think it is a block actually. And then a stone stairs facing the back. We want our polish blackstone brick slab, upside down stairs, put down the side. We also want our pale oak buttons to be on top of this. Alright, and then we'll add in an acacia fence gate. Go diagonally down from here. And then it's going to be a smooth red sandstone slab. And then a pale oak fence gate underneath that. Then it's going to be a polish andesite slab. And then an end rod. Just going to go down here. And the last one, when you're actually attaching to the aircraft, that is going to be this pale oak trapdoor that, fits in to this part where you were fueling it from. But yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make the KC-135R in Minecraft. Thanks again to Trainmaster3985 for commissioning this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.